Some pitfalls in drawing isomers. What are some common mistakes that we may do when drawing isomers? Isomers often involve a branched chain. Many people make the mistake by drawing 90 degrees bends in a carbon rather than branches. We have this compound which is an alkene because we have a double bond. Let's find an isomer to this molecule. All we have to do is to take any of these carbon atoms and attach it as a branch to any of the other inner carbon atoms. One common mistake in drawing an isomer is twisting the chain. So, instead of making this carbon a branch over here, for example, we simply twisted the chain, which is wrong. Let's figure why by counting the carbon atoms in the straight chain. We have here a straight chain of 6 carbons. We can move on this straight line which represents the straight chain. Let's find the straight chain in this compound now. Imagine that you have to move your hand without removing it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We are moving across the chain in a continuous way. So this is not a branch. To have a branch, we will remove the last carbon and attach it over here. In this case, it is a branch because if we move our hand across the chain, now we will have a side chain. Pay attention, don't twist the compound. Instead, remove a carbon from the straight chain and attach it as a branch to another inner carbon atom. So these two are identical compounds and they are not isomers because the main chain contains 6 carbons and no branches in both compounds. Let's take another example. This is 2-methylpentane. This line is the straight chain. Let's check now if those two compounds are isomers or the same compound, however twisted. Let's find the straight chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have also 5 carbon atoms and the branch is attached to the second carbon atom. So we only have a twist in the shape of the compound. So to draw a branch, you have to remove a carbon atom and attach it to another one and not simply twisting the main chain.